Well, welcome back to our channel. If you want to put a white background on your Instagram story, you're in the right place. Because in today's video, I'm going to show you how to put a white background on Instagram story. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. Once you have logged into your Instagram account, head over to the story section, click on the camera, just take any picture, and then click on the three dot menu and click on draw. Here, select the color white. Once you have selected it, keep your finger tapped on your screen and your background of your Instagram story will be white. And that's it. This is how you can make your Instagram story background white. And if this video helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, and we will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.